everyone. Today we're gonna do I Ready Math.
Let's find 874 minus 643 using a number line. We'll start at 874 and subtract the hundreds, tens, and ones in 643. There are 600s in 643, so the first jump is 600. What is 874 minus 600? Excellent! You already subtracted the hundreds in 643. Now subtract the tens. What is 274 minus 40? I am impressed. You already subtracted the hundreds and tens in 643. Now subtract the ones. What is 234 minus 3? Nice move! What is 874 minus 643? Way to put it together! 874 minus 643 equals 231.
Let's find 597 minus 437. We'll start at 597 and subtract the hundreds, tens, and ones in 437. There are 400s in 437. What is 597 minus 400? Beantastic! You already subtracted the hundreds in 437. Now subtract the tens. What is 197 minus 30? Awesome! You already subtracted the hundreds and tens in 437. Now subtract the ones. What is 167 minus 7?
So we're just gonna subtract. Before we subtract, I'm gonna tell you a joke. A funny joke. I mean, it's not a joke, but it's a made up funny thing. One day, there was a chicken who, whenever it tried to fly, it kept on falling, like, fly, 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 oof. Fly, 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 oof.